Twintivo gives manufacturers eyes on floor data coming from sensors and PLCs with 24/7 alerts and monitoring. Imagine you are on the shop floor and you've got 3 machines which each have critical temperatures. Instead of spending hours pulling this data from Historians, just ask Twintivo. For example, show me temperatures 1, 2, and 3 from the past 24 hours overlaid on a single graph.
Here's the 24-hour overlay with temps 1, 2, and 3.
And if you want to go even further, you can say something like, show me every time that temperature 2 dropped below 200 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 3 minutes.
I found 36 periods where temperature 2 dropped below 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you want to share this data, you can export it to PDF or you can share it through your communications platform such as Microsoft Teams. For example, create a list of those 36 periods and send it to Microsoft Teams.
I've sent the list of the 36 periods where temp 2 dropped.
If the data is critical enough and needs to be shared, transfer the answer via a phone call to a coworker or a manager. No need to be running around the plant. List out here the 36 instances.
Here are a few of the instances where temperature 2 dropped below 200 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 3 minutes. 1. From 2025-09.
Unknown caller.
36 instances where the temperature dropped below 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
When was the first time that the temperature dropped?
The first time the temperature dropped below 200 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 3 minutes was from 2025-09-19.
Twintivo alerts you the moment variables drift out of range, so you catch faulty machines or product issues immediately. Reports are created automatically every day. What used to take hours now takes seconds. And across multiple plants worldwide, Twintivo is your single source of truth.